This is Tanvir Chaudhary. How you can design a professional t-shirt using AI tools. And this is another professional video and t-shirt design with AI tools is not that much difficult or not that much easy. And this is like instructing a graphic designer. Just in this case, you have two instructions, the AI tools, and the AI tools gonna create you the professional t-shirt what you need and what to choose. And the professional t-shirt design about the product quality, product design, and the product design about what you can instruction the AI tools. The more clear, the more perfect your instruction the AI tools gonna make the more perfect design for you. The fact is that this AI tools, the AI with using AI tools, the t-shirt design is not gonna be customizable, and you doesn't have the access to customize. You just have the PNG file, and you can just instruction the AI tools, create, download, then save that design or just print that design. You just have that much access to your design. AI tools is paid like Midjourney, but today we are gonna talking about the other AI tools like IdeoCam, and that is not paid, as free version available, but also paid version available. I will share how you can write the professional how you can write the perfect prompt and perfect instruction for your AI tools, and how that's gonna be make you that professional t-shirt design. So see you in the desktop. So guys, let's jump into the design. For that, you have to just open the Google Chrome and then just search ChatGPT. And first link, click try ChatGPT and write your queries. And I have written some queries before for you guys. I repeat that again. Let's see what happens. ChatGPT gives me some words. And let's try first one. Copy that and open another tab and just I do ground. First take that and then write that design name professional t-shirt for printing high quality with the text and then paste the text and just click the generate button, and you can select the ratio, what ratio you need, and for this using this you have to buy professional plan, or you have to upgrade for plan, and we can manage free one. Just click the generate button, and this is that much simple, and just this type of text, and you can generate multiple professional t-shirt using this type of text, this type of effort. You doesn't need to hire a designer, you doesn't need to hire any professional designer. You can just create your own t-shirt design using your own, put your prompt, and then just generate, click the generate button, and you have your desired design, or you have your own design. And if you like it, this is perfect. This is perfect testing purpose. I download it. For downloading, if you choose this, and then just simply click the three dot button and just simply click download, and you have your design. That's not that much complicated. Okay, and now you have your own design, your own t-shirt design, professional t-shirt design. Now you can print it and use it, or just sell it. And this is your own design. Okay, just don't copy other, and don't copy other prompts, and if you want to copy, then you can just simply remix that and have it to use. And I want to say that this video is professionally not for graphic designer, and you want to design your t-shirt without any hassle, then you can design for your client. And before designing for your client, you have to ensure that your client requirement, that your client is not asking for your vector file or PSD file, and it's not gonna be customizable, and you don't have the customizable access, you don't have the PSD or the vector file, and you ask simply to your client that if I don't send the vector file, just simply send the PDF or the PNG file or JPG file. Is this okay for you? Just simply ask your client. Then if your client say yes, you can send. I don't want customizable. Then you have your client, and you're good to go. And last of all, I want to say that if you are new in this channel, then just simply click the subscribe button and like this video. And what content next you need, just simply ask on the comment section, and you can just simply tell me what type of content you need, and especially for graphic designers. And this is for mix. This is not only for graphic designer, this is not only for non-graphic designers, and this is gonna be like ordinary design. And I'm gonna be regular in this channel, and yep. and what content and what type of content do you need in next type. Just simply comment. I will try to upload that type of content. And one more thing, that all type of links and resources will be in that description. Just simply check it out and design your t-shirt. You now can design your professional t-shirt using AI. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.